How to fix your laptop screen flickering in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So first you want to right click on the start button and then open up the settings, and then you want to go to the system tab right here, and then click on the display tab and scroll all the way down and make sure to set the scale to the recommended value, which is usually 100% for the scale and layout. And now for the display resolution, make sure to select the recommended value as well, which usually matches your screen native resolution. So if you know your screen is 1920 by 1080, you should select that value. And once you did that, you can simply close out of this and right click again on the start button and then open up the device manager. And from here, you want to expand the GPU tab. And then you want to expand the display adapters, which is the category that displays the GPUs. Now for laptops, you might find two, one GPU and one integrated GPU. You want to make sure to right click both of them and click on update drivers and search automatically, which will basically download any pending updates or available updates. You can also search for updates on Windows Update by downloading pending updates here that are related to your GPU. You can also click on view optional updates, click on expand the drivers updates, and make sure to check any update that is relevant to your GPU. Make sure to download and install it. Now, if you know your GPU model like this that might have an external application where you can get updates from, like nvidia, you would need to install nvidia app. It's basically downloaded independently. You want to download it and install it on your computer, and then open it up to check for updates and get the latest updates. Once it's opened up, you want to go to the drivers section, and from here you want to check for game ready driver. Click on the arrow next to it for nvidia and make sure to download and install the latest GeForce Game Ready driver in this case. And once you finish installing it, you should basically restart your computer anyway, even if it doesn't ask you to reboot your computer. And once you reboot your computer, this should basically fix the screen flickering issue in Windows. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.